We started from the idea of the ubiquitous selfie because that's a way that lots of people engage with technology, almost unknowingly, I guess.
That's what led us to thinking about using facial recognition to kind of control these avatars which could then mimic you and possibly represent you.
Between about November 2017 and April 2018, we developed the basic idea of TEO, and we were able to showcase that in Bury St Edmunds last April. We learnt a huge amount, and then when we were commissioned to do the work for this showcase, we've really honed it down now, and that's been a fantastic process. Collusion has really given us the context to develop our work together and to be hugely more ambitious than we would have been otherwise.
And that was when I approached Rich from Collusion and told him the idea, and within a day the perfect shaders were in my inbox.
In the showcase, TEO is an interactive experience. You can choose an avatar to represent you that is aspirational, so you're playing with colour, you're playing with form to get something that's totally unique to you.
It's about exploring if we had this openness where we could be anything, would we still feel a pressure to confine to what, say, other people may want us to be, whether that's society, hierarchical, or kind of corporate pressures.
It's really interesting, this type of technology presented in such an artistic form, kind of an eye-opener.
I think moving on, having got TEO now as like first stage development of the idea, we're really interested in accessing a little bit more technology around the idea, and that's something we'd really like to pursue.